Hello and welcome to an unboxing and setup guide for the Gator GRV92MKT 9-inch mirror dual camera kit. In this video I will show you what comes with the Gator 9-inch mirror display and go through the settings and setup procedure. First thing inside the box is the 9-inch mirror display, the standard camera with 5.4 meters of cable with the adhesive and mounting screws, heavy duty camera with 10 meters of cable, a 10 meter extension cable for the heavy duty camera. We have the mirror mounting hardware, 12 and 24 volt in-car charger, and the manual. Let's have a quick look at the 9-inch touchscreen mirror display. In order to have the dashcam mirror automatically switch into reverse mode with parking guidelines when you put the car in reverse, you'll need to connect the red trigger wire to the reverse light of your vehicle. You can mount the standard camera anywhere on your vehicle using the included adhesive and screws where you'll get the best view. The heavy duty camera can be mounted on the back of a vehicle or even on a trailer. Install the mirror display by using the provided rubber mounting clips to hook onto the back of the device and wrap it around the rear view mirror. After running the cables through the vehicle, we can connect the charging adapter that simply plugs into the accessory socket and both camera cables into the GRV92MKT. We're now going to run through how to operate the dash cam and what each of the settings do. Along the bottom are quick settings. From left to right, we have the cog for settings, then brightness, and image flip for the currently viewed camera. If the bar disappears or the screen turns off, just tap the screen and it will appear. If you swipe the screen, left or right, it will change between the heavy duty and standard camera view. If we swipe up or down, we can pan vertically to your desired position, perfect for lining up a trailer when connecting it to the vehicle. We can open the menu of the mirror display by pressing the cog button in the left side of the toolbar. The first option is to change the time and date. You may have to adjust the time and date on your mirror display when you first use it. Once clicked, the day will first be selected. You can use the plus or minus buttons on either side of the menu to increase or decrease the day. Once the day is selected, press the OK button and it will bring you to the next part of the date. Again, using the plus or minus buttons to change the month and pressing OK to move on to the next part. Once you get to the end, pressing OK will bring you back to the settings menu and save the time and date. Clock display will enable or disable the date and time on the corner of the mirror. There is an option to change the language of your device if you wish. LCD power save is the time it takes before your mirror display screen turns off. If you'd like to have the screen turn off faster, you can set it to one of the timers and this will simply turn off the screen. You can turn off the beeping sound every time you tap an item on the screen if you wish. You can adjust the volume of the speaker used for the user interface navigation sounds. Flicker is a setting that prevents flicker of street lights depending on the country you're in. It is automatically set for Australia and should be left at 50 Hz. Lastly, we have the option to restore the device to factory settings. I do recommend you have a flick through the manual before using this product, as it will contain a lot of extra information and troubleshooting. Go to the Gator Driver Assist website for the latest manuals and software for your product. That sums up the unboxing and setup guide for the Gator GRV92MKT. You can stay up to date on the latest products by subscribing to this channel and visiting our website gatordriverassist.com.